Yes, hello everybody. Good evening. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend to tell a friend away again. Alright, today I'm back at it. I see a next clipping on social media I want to talk about. Cause me hear say Trump take down the gay flag in the embassy of Jamaica. And Andrew Holness sign off on it and say him agree with it. And me hear say the PNP opposition leader, Mark Golding, say him a go march for gay rights in Jamaica. Now, if that's not ironic, I don't know what is. Because there's no way Mark Golding will run for the Prime Minister for the PNP party, knowing say this is Jamaica and knowing what Jamaica stand for, and make a statement like that, if that's really true, allegedly. You know, me I say, so it come on the blogging channel, so I want to talk about it. So if him really decides say him a go through with something like that, I want to know all of him followers. You know what I say? Wherever you come from, whichever era you come from, that you follow the PNP party, National Party. I want to know if you is going to support this. If this is brought to attention. And if this allegation is really true. Because there's no way, like me say, Mark Golding is going to do something like this, knowing say this is Jamaica and knowing what Jamaica stand for and knowing how far we have come from with this thing. And for him for portray saying him are going to make a march, gay march, and have supporters that's going to support this. This is totally ridiculous if this allegation is true. Especially in Jamaica. You see me? Listen to me. If Andrew Holness decides say what Trump say a real thing, it is real thing because there's only two gender in the world, a man and a woman. So why you as the opposition leader are trying to push a next agenda at Jamaica? So this made me start to ask the question: the $1 billion that was given to Jamaica, was it taken by Andrew Holness constituency or was it taken by the PNP constituency? Because now everything starts show me, or come out clearly to me. You see me? With a statement like that, you are bringing Jamaica into the dark ages. And frankly, we're not going to have that. So more want to know if Pienland, Seaview, Waterhouse, back to all of these places, Backbush, you see me? Excuse me. Southside, Matches Lane, all of these places, if we're not going to support this agenda where this man is going to push. You see me? Because this is Jamaica, Bridging. This is not England. You is an England-born resident, came to Jamaica to live, who still don't have a Jamaican citizenship that's going to run for the Prime Minister. And to think of you going to make something happen like that in a Jamaica. Are you crazy? That cannot happen. And we will not support that. And if you think we bash Andrew Holness constituency and him government, so you can come do something like that, you making a big mistake. Because the only problem we have with Andrew Holness and him constituency is the way they might treat people at Jamaica. If Andrew Holness can change around the situation that's happening in Jamaica by the way or the police them deal with the citizens them, right? Price gouges. If the prices can drop for a whole heap of thing, fix the roads them. Because a whole heap of road need to be fixed. You know what I say? Give out a whole heap of house, food program. You see me? Healthcare. If Andrew Holness can do the whole of that, him can change everything in him favor. So, you think you're going to come to Jamaica and put up a gay march, rights in a Jamaica, and people are going to support you? You done gone mad, bro. You don't gone mad. I'm telling you, this is Jamaica. And if Jamaica support that, that means Jamaica on a whole has changed. Different country it is. You know what I say? To each his own. But this is Jamaica. This is Jamaica we talking about. You know what I say? That can't go on. That cannot go on at Jamaica. So, big man, hear me I tell you, I bet you just pack up your things and your family them and go on back to England with an English thing. You hear me I tell you? Because you now come at Jamaica, come infiltrate Jamaica and try pass off these things on Jamaican people and them kids and children. No way. You see me? Me a lick out on it right now. It not happen. It's not gonna happen. Not in our Jamaica. You see me? I mean, I care about PMP and Labour right, I'm a politician. That me I tell you now. Me care about Jamaica. Jamaica, the country of Jamaica, and the citizens, the people of Jamaica, me care about. Because even the politician, they are still people of Jamaica that works for the Jamaican people. Them just have a title. That's all it is. The title can be stricken from them. But not in our culture. But let this be known. Mr. Mark Golding, no way we supporting that. Me I tell you right now. I mean I wall my mouth. When I get out of hand and out of control in Jamaica with this thing. When I feel go the whole of man. That me I tell you now. I'm not responsible for a politician. I don't care who a politician is. You know me I say respect due to everybody, but when you not cross the line and you want to come you know me I say impose things upon Jamaican citizens that we do not grow, we never grew up. I accept them things here. So how come 40 years down the line now, no one will accept it and not come talk about them something normal. Them something not normal. We not accept them something. You see me? Please like, share, and subscribe at Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend to tell a friend. And we again. Boom, boom, boom. Jamaica. Bless upon yourself. Happy Sunday to everyone and them family. Blessings.